Meaning of eczema.
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 Eczema. Eczema is a skin condition characterized by red, itchy, and inflamed patches. It can vary in severity and is often chronic. The cause of eczema is not fully understood, but it is believed to be related to a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Treatment options include topical creams and ointments, antihistamines, and phototherapy. Lifestyle changes such as avoiding triggers like certain fabrics or soaps, and managing stress levels, can also help manage eczema symptoms. While there is no known cure for eczema, with proper management, most people with the condition can live a healthy and comfortable life.